Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Samsam Zulkarnain, your English teacher from Punjab Group of Colleges. Dear students, today we are here to discuss the new board pattern of Hssc 2. Today we are going to discuss what are the changes in the new board pattern of English paper of Federal Board, and we will discuss that how the things will be going on in this new board pattern. Dear students, when we will discuss the question number 1, that is about the MCQs, and it will be carrying 20 marks. The marks distribution is same related to MCQs, but in old pattern you are very familiar that the distribution of marks was that some of the part of MCQs were taken from the grammar, and some of the MCQs were taken from the textbook. But in this new board pattern, all the MCQs will be related to grammar. So it is totally related to your grammar skills, and you will be focusing on the parts of speech in detail. Then you must be familiar about the phrases and clauses and the difference between phrase, clause and types. And you should very much well aware about the types of sentences, and then transitional devices. And when it comes to the poetry, you must be familiar with poetic devices, figures of speech. So you have to focus on these aspects to get good marks in your MCQs part, that you will be focusing on parts of speech, then phrases, clauses, then transitional devices, synonyms, antonyms, and figures of speech. Dear students, question number 2 is totally changed. Previously, the question number 2 used to be related to the short stories and the related questions which were given in the end of the short stories of the textbook of KPK board. But now it is about the comprehension. Question will be checking your comprehension skills. Marks are same, 28 marks, but in this new pattern, a passage or some of passages will be given there, and in the end of those passages or a passage, there will be questions. First question will be carrying 8 marks, and it will be about the summary writing, and the rest of the questions there will be choice of a one question, and every question will be carrying 4 marks. Related to that passage or passages. So now you have to work on your comprehensional skills, and according to the directives of the board, this passage or passages will be taken from a KPK textbook of HSSC Part 2, or either from Balochistan textbook of HSSC Part 2, or it could be unseen. So you will be basically focusing on your comprehensional skills, and it will be related to your comprehensional skills and expertise. Okay, dear students, when it comes to question number 3, there will be 2 parts. In question number 3, the first part will be related to poetry. A poetic piece will be given there, and in the end of that poetic piece, questions related to that poetic piece will be asked, and there will be 3 questions, and every question will be carrying 2 marks. So you are supposed to answer those questions, and the first part of question number 3 is carrying total 6 marks, and it will be related to your poetry, your skills about poetry, that how you understand that poetic piece. So this is the first part, A part of question number 3. Dear students, let's move to the next board to explore what are the next questions related to the new board pattern. Okay, dear students, so the part B of question number 3 is about the play or drama. There will be a general question about your skills of grasping the concept of play, drama in literature, and it will be related to the elements of the play. For example, exposition, then rising action, then climax, then falling action, resolution, and then conflicts, types of conflicts. So you are supposed to go through different plays, dramas, and then you are supposed to be familiar about the elements of the drama and important ingredients which are very much necessary to write a play or drama or to grasp the basic theme of drama. So this part B of question number 3 is related to drama or play. In textbook of KPK and Balochistan, there is drama given in the end of both the texts. So you have to go through those dramas, plays, and you can read or go through any other piece of literature which could be a great example of drama or play in order to grasp the elements of the drama, and then you will be able to answer the questions about this very question. Dear students, now the section C of HSSC Part 2 English New Board Pattern, question number 4, and this question is related to essay. It is the part of the old pattern, and it is about your skills of essay writing. You have to be familiar about the types of essays: narrative essay, descriptive essay, and other types of essays in order to answer the question. There will be choice. There will be 2 essays, and outline of those essays will be given, and you have to jot down a complete essay of 250 to 300 words while using the outline given in your paper. So there is a choice. 2 essays will be there, and you are supposed to opt any essay, and you will be writing down the essay with the help of the outline which will be given there. So this is your question number 4. Dear students, when it comes to question number 5, there are 3 parts, and the first part is about the correction of errors, and a passage will be given, and there will be errors related to parts of speech, and in the question they will give you the name of errors. For example, there will be an error of adjective, noun, usage of noun, it is related to verb. So they will define the types of errors, that there is an error of spelling, and then you have to go through the passage which is given there, and you will be locating the errors, and then you are supposed to rewrite the passage while correcting those errors. And it was also the part of your old paper. Dear students, the B part of this question number 5 is related to idioms and their usage in sentences. Definitely it is about to improve your writing skills, because idiomatic language that used to be catchy and that attracts the readers. So in order to enhance your writing skills, idioms will be given there, and you are supposed to make sentences of 5 idioms, and every idiom will be carrying equal marks and 5 marks. Okay, dear students, so question number C, that is related to your skills of narration. It is change in this new pattern, and it is carrying 5 marks. A passage will be given there, and it will be in the direct narration, and you are supposed to convert it into indirect narration, and you will be rewriting that passage. So in this new board pattern of English, your skills of direct indirect speech and your skills about the narration matters, and you will be working on your narration skills. Dear students, let's move to the next board, where we will find question number 6 and 7. Dear students, question number 6, that is about the report writing, and it was the part of your old pattern as well, carrying 8 marks, and a topic will be given there about report writing, and they will give you in the form of key points, in the form of bullets, that what are the areas, what are the things which you are supposed to mention while jotting down this report, and it will be about the checking of that your report writing skills, that you are very much familiar about the report writing pattern or not. Dear students, question number 7, that is about transitional devices. It is it is a change in this new board pattern, and transitional devices, they play a very pivotal, vital role in jotting down your any script. It plays a very important role. They will give you a paragraph, and there will be slots where you will jot down the transitional devices, and then you will be completing that paragraph. So it is a new thing, and you will be focusing on the transitional devices, their examples, and then their usage in order to get good marks in this very new question, and it will be carrying 5 marks. So dear students, if we will compare the old board pattern and the new board pattern of English, it is almost 50% change, and now this new board pattern is, according to SLOs, focused on a student learning approach. So definitely it will help you to understand the language, and you will be able to jot down and understand the English language. This is all about today's lecture. Hopefully you have understood the new board pattern of English, HSSC 2. God bless you all. Thank you so much.